everybody, this is NAPA Know-How channel, and as you see from my background, today I'm going to show you how I clean my interior fabric seat in my car. I've been using my car for 5 years, almost 5 years right now, and last two years with the toddler. You can see him in the car. As a parent, you know all the toddler make a mess in the car, and I have all kind of stain, milk, juice, candies, chips, and all kind of things. And as an ordinary mom who doesn't know how to clean the car or is not professional on any car care or anything, I just want to show you how simple and how easy that we can clean the car. All you need is just like a time consuming, and especially for me, I have to run between cleaning the car and my son to take care at the same time. So let's take a look what I have used and what I have done to make my car seat look better again, look clean again. Okay, let's go.
This is the driver's seat, which is mainly stained from coffee that I or sometimes my husband drop a drink on it. The passenger seat main stain is going to be from the milk, but sometimes it's also a coffee or some soda from myself and my husband as well. The back seat is terrible because most of the thing in there is going to be milk, because he likes to drink some and let some on the bottom and likes to drop it on the seat. And on the floor, as you see, it's even terrible because he just throw everything on the floor most of the time. Down there under the car seat also stain of the milk because I just moved the car seat from the middle to the side. I've mixed the water, one part of water, one part of the vinegar, with maybe like 10 or 20 drops of the dishwashing soap, put in a bottle spray, but at the end I put it in the spray from the vacuum machine. I start by remove everything out of the way, vacuum all the dust and animal's hair and all kind of crumbs out of the floor first. After vacuuming all the dust off, I spray the solution, scrub with a brush, and then use the vacuum to vacuum all the water out. I repeat doing the same process for like 4 or 5 times until I see the water come out clear or not much stain left. Especially for the floor, I've done that for like maybe 5-6 times until I'm happy with what I have seen. After I finish cleaning, I let my son dry with the 4 doors open under the sun for the entire day, and I'm sure I'm going to need another 1 or 2 days to be completely dry. My seat completely dry. I surely going to put the waterproof solution to prevent the milk stain or the coffee stain later on, or at least help me easily clean it before it's getting worse.
I just finished clean everything. You can see that, I can say it's not perfect, but it's look a lot better than before. I used to have all kind of stain right here. I used to have the milk spill all over this place. And the other side of here, it used to be a lot of stain for like milk and coffee that I spill, and the sunlight maybe not very okay. And right here I used to have like a coffee stain everywhere. With the time consuming and like a little bit effort, I can restore my fabric interior car seat again, and now it's look a lot better than before. This is how dirty my interior car seat was. It's all kind of things like milk, juice, coffee, and everything. And I'm so glad I did this. I'm glad I cleaned it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you. Say hi hi ก่อน สวัสดีครับ Hi 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 Bye Bye